Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about how can you even clone yourself with just your smartphone in your hand. So it doesn't require any Hollywood kind of editing software. It just requires a small application to edit it. So like a buddy next to me sitting like that. So how can you even create it? That's what you're going to see in this video. My name is JB. You're watching TWJB. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, bell icon for more videos like this. And yes, straight away let's get started. First is first, I'm going to teach you guys step by step. It's very simple if you start this video till the end. So no worries, I will teach you slowly. And today's application I'm going to use the Alight Motion. And yeah, today I'm going to teach you an Alight Motion tutorial. So yes, straight away let's get started. So let me start the screen recording. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go. And here we go in the Alight Motion tab. So there, open it and create a project. 16:9. I need to give it 4K. I'm gonna give it 4K. Yes, superb. 30 FPS. Yes, absolutely. Create the project. Then I want to add some videos. These are the videos, 2 videos I want to take. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, the first video, and there we go with the second video. Yes, so we have uploaded successfully, and a main thing in it, you have to divide the screen two ways. That is, you have to divide the screen into a middle. When you are acting, you have to think like an imaginary line passing through half of your screen. Like for example, I shown here. So if you take it, so you guys can see the difference right away. So I acted accordingly by spreading a half screen, and keep all the settings same as your first video which you took. So I kept both the settings as simple as you could, and yeah, keep all brightness, even every stuff, keep it the same. So yeah, that's very important thing, you have to note it, and you have to make your script accordingly. So yeah, we have created, and you guys can see the video. This video upon talk about okay, we have successfully done it. So you guys can see the difference, team. So there are 2 videos uploaded. So now what you have to do is simply tap on the video and given on fit screen, full screen. So simply tap on that. Okay, full screen, and both the videos are full screen, and okay, now it's perfectly done. So now what you have to do is simply get to the add option right corner, right bottom corner, that button. Then you'll get the shapes option. In that you have to give a third square right over here. So click on that square, and color field, I love green color, so green, give it, yes, okay, and tap on that screen and drag over. If you have uploaded the first video as which you took in the right side, then the second video would be, you would be importing it in the left side. So you have to keep your square left side. But first video I have uploaded the left side, so the second video I have imported in the second right side. So you guys can see the difference right away. So this is the first video which I uploaded. It's totally on the left side. Which I uploaded the second video is going to be right side. So note that point, and then keep on the triangle and fit the screen half of it, like what I'm doing, something. Yeah, so it's great. Yes, there we go. Yeah, keep it up there, and then what you have to do is simple, keep on that and bring it till the end. And then you got an option called this one, the second option next to the speed option. Yes, there we go. And if you want to trim the video, trim it. Now it's so yes, like trimming the video both. Yes, it ended the same. So no worries in there. So now is the important step, you have to do it. Simply tap on the screen, click on that layer and then the second layer. So 2 layers, you have to select it. Then the main important step, you have to get to the next tab, that is 2 layers are selected. Next to that you would get one more option, then next there is next option, that is called masking. So it is a step in the masking. So click on that second option, then your already is ready. So guys, welcome back to another one. There is a little stucky internet goes on, so don't worry about that. 1 minute. Yeah, now let me. Guys, welcome back to the heck it's doing, man. Okay, here we go. Come on, buddy. Yes. That's it. You are done. So it's very simple process. If you watch the video till then, it will be very easy for you guys. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos like this. Sorry for the delay. I'm extremely sorry for that. And I'll catch you guys now on. Peace.